Hi, I'm Hay House author and transformational coach Jennifer Grace, and I'm very excited for you to start 21 days of mindfulness and emotional intelligence. The tools that I'm going to be presenting to you each day come directly from a course that I teach from Stanford University. It's a master's degree course in mindfulness and emotional intelligence. So, why mindfulness? Well, mindfulness is the art of being in the here and now. Mostly when we experience enormous amounts of stress, it's because we're in the future, worrying or having anxiety or fear about things that may or may not even come to fruition. Sometimes we get caught up in the past, having regret, feeling like we shoulda, coulda, woulda, and that causes feelings of sadness, anger, depression, guilt, or shame. When we're here in the present moment is where peace lives. Mindfulness is all about the present moment. So each week I'll be delivering tools for you to come back to the present moment again and again. I will also be delivering emotional intelligence tools that will help you respond rather than react. Be able to manage stressful situations with neutrality and peace and ease so that you're freed up to use your life force towards things that bring you joy. So for day one, I think it's important to set the foundation. Hopefully, you've already downloaded the workbook that goes along with this course as well as the 21-day checkoff calendar. If you have not, you can go to www.jennifergrace.com/workbook and get that now. So, the foundation of a mindfulness and emotional intelligence practice is meditation. In order for us to really move through the world with peace and ease, we must practice. And I think that it's interesting that the Mayo Clinic now is prescribing for people with cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and a plethora of stress-related diseases, a 15 to 30-minute mindfulness or meditation practice. I also think it's interesting that Tim Ferriss, who wrote a book called Tools of the Titans, he interviewed 200 executives, thought leaders, celebrities, legends, athletes, and asked them, "Do you have a mindfulness practice?" 80% of them said yes. They're using meditation now in the NBA. They're using it in the NFL. It was on the cover of Time magazine a few months ago that mindfulness is the new kale. So, let's talk about a very simple meditation practice. For the next 21 days, along with the other daily tools and processes that I have you do, I'm going to ask you to meditate for 15 minutes a day. You will also have a download of a meditation that you can just put right on your computer or phone that will guide you. So how we begin is to first set up a space in your home that's inviting, whether it's a corner or a room or an outdoor area that you know that you're going to come to every day for the next 21 days to do your meditation practice. You can decorate it any way you like, with a chair to sit on or a cushion. You might want to put candles or fresh flowers, anything that makes it inviting. The other thing that you want to do is stick with a routine. If you can create the same time every day to do your meditation practice, you will have extraordinary results. So we do know that meditation increases serotonin, which is the happy hormone, which decreases stress, anxiety, and depression. There are a myriad of health benefits that you can read about on meditation, but those are still just a few. So the practice is very simple. First, you will begin, and this is guided in your meditation that you can download, with the 5 senses check-in. The 5 senses check-in is based on the science that you can't focus on what you're sensing, meaning your smell, your taste, your touch, your sight, and what you're thinking simultaneously. So if you want to settle down the obsessive thoughts of worry or regret, all you need to do is call in the 5 senses. So we always begin our meditation practice with that. So let's try it on together right now so you can have a visceral experience. Begin with your eyes open and sit up nice and tall and begin to look around the room. Notice the colors and the textures, the fabrics and the furniture. Simply be here now. Now close your eyes. Deeply breathe in, noticing the sense of smell. Next, invoke the sense of sound. What are the sounds coming from inside the room you're in? What are the sounds coming from outside the room you're in? Next, taste. Gently run your tongue along your teeth and swallow. And now touch. Notice the way the clothing feels on your body, the way the air feels on your face. And now notice your breath, how on the inhale it feels cool, and the exhale it feels warm. And when you're ready, open your eyes. So I bet you did not worry about the future or regret the past. You stayed in the moment. Once you do the 5 senses check-in, you're ready to meditate. So we use what's called mantra meditation. On the inhale, you silently say here, and on the exhale, you silently say now. Here, now. When a thought comes in, your job is to not let it go more than 1 sentence and then bring it back to the breath. Here on the inhale, now on the exhale. So why don't we try this for 1 timed minute? Sit up nice and straight in your chair and close your eyes. Imagine a golden string pulling you skyward. And place your tongue on the back of your 2 front teeth. And on the inhale, slowly say here, and on the exhale, now. Here, now. We will do this for 1 timed minute. If a thought comes in, remember, don't let it go for more than 1 sentence and come back to the mantra, here, now, and begin. And when you're ready, open your eyes. That's meditation. I want you to think about it like you're taking your mind to the brain gym every morning. We don't have a problem working out our bodies, but why aren't we working out our minds? They're doing fascinating studies that are showing that a brain of a meditator versus a brain of somebody that's not meditating, the meditator has a brain 7 years younger than that of somebody who doesn't meditate. They're starting to use it on Alzheimer's patients to slow down the disease, and they're also using it as preventative medicine to extend memory so that you don't start having memory loss in old age. As I said, there are so many benefits of meditation, and another one is clarity. And I think one of the most important things is that we can be clear, focused, and grounded so that we can move through life with more grace, more ease, and more peace. So I'm very excited for you all to start your Mindfulness 21 Days today by creating a meditation station, downloading your workbook, your calendar, as well as downloading the guided 15-minute meditation, which you will do every day for the next 21 days. They say it takes 21 days to make a habit. I can't wait for you to create yours.